G'day everybody, Daz here from my Aussie Garden and Kitchen. I just wanted to put out this really quick video just to let you all know that during the month of March, which is obviously now, I've got a whole bunch of collaborations that I'm taking part in, and for the next 4 weeks I'm going to be putting out a bunch of videos that are related to cooking and canning and dehydrating. Now on the 13th of March, which is only a few days away as I record this, I've got a collaboration with Diane, the Canning Nana, and she's brought a whole bunch of channels together, and we're going to talk about canning, what we like and what we don't like, a few things there of what we do and don't like. So that one's coming out on the 13th of this month, and also in that video I talk a little bit about canning for beginners. So if that's something that interests you, I do recommend that you check out the video on the 13th. And then on the 27th of March, I've got a video coming out for Diane's collaboration, the second part of her collaboration, or her second collaboration, I guess you could say, and that's dehydrating, what I do like dehydrating and what I don't. And again, I'll be talking about obviously what I like and don't like to dehydrate. So yeah, if you want to check out that video on the 27th, it'd be much appreciated. Then I've got another collaboration with Leanne from Mennonite Farmhouse and Tony from Kettle Kitchen, and that's the Pies of March. Pretty cool collaboration, which is already underway, and I'll be doing a pie. I'm not going to say right now, but I'll be doing a pie on the 16th of March. These are US times, by the way. Here, if you don't know, here in Australia, we're pretty much a day ahead, so for all the Aussies watching, that'll be on the 17th our time. But yeah, I'll be doing a pie. It's a recipe that I really enjoy doing, and I'm aiming that one at beginners. I really want to encourage people out there to have a go at something that's quite popular, and I'll show you just how simple it is. And then on the 22nd of March, I've got another video with another collaboration, and that's Greg's Kitchen. Now please, that's Greg's Kitchen in the USA, not Greg's Kitchen, the Australian channel. And Greg's invited me into that collaboration, and it's my second year with him, and it's Marching In With Casseroles. It's a collaboration I really enjoy because we eat a lot of casseroles here, and oh man, I don't know how many casseroles I picked up from last year from other people that were variations of things I was aware of, and there were some that I wasn't aware of. And so yeah, the 22nd I'll be doing a casserole. I'm still in two minds about what I'm doing there because I want to do a variation on something that's very popular, but I've also got an idea in my head that I've done before here for the family, and it's a little bit different, and I might give that a go. So stick around and check that out. So for all the people out there that like to watch my gardening, I apologise that I'm cramming in this month full of food and canning and stuff like that. But to be invited into collaborations is such an honour, especially with the channels that are involved too. It's something that I quite enjoy and I'm proud to be a part of. And if you wouldn't mind checking out the other videos in the collaborations after you watch my video, I'd appreciate that. And if you wouldn't mind sharing out on maybe community pages or Facebook or whatever, just letting people know what I'm doing in March, or even when those videos come out, if you wouldn't mind sharing them, I'd love the exposure and try to push my channel a bit further and get to a 5,000 subscriber mark, which is pretty crazy, but you know what? I'm going to see if I can get there. Anyway, thanks so much. I do appreciate your time as always, and thank you so much for sticking with me in this video. So yeah, you all take care, and I will see you when I see you. Thanks so much, and bye for now.